Outside is San Francisco. We are by the airport. Come check out this room. We have two double beds right here. The air condition control is right there with the only vent, it looks like. We're going to turn around from where I'm standing. We have a bigger light there, an extra chair, a little table, or what have you. We have a TV that swivels. And I guess these are just drawers with the mini fridge, actually. Cooler, it says. And then what is right here is just the drawers, I believe. Yes. Ice bucket. There is the desk. We do have a bedside table with the phone right there. A little bit of art on the wall, whatever that might be. And then we have a bit of a corridor to walk down. Pretty big space here. We'll come into the bathroom, relatively bright. Got a little bit of texture on the wall. Then we have the classic Regency products right there. Here's the double shower head. Low flow and high flow toilet. We do have a hair dryer down there. Nice bright mirror. And then I believe the coffee is in here, as well as the safe and iron. It does have a step-by-step guide. And then this side is the closet. The iron and thing for your bags down there. Then you can see this place, the facility is kind of like a horse circle where everything is. The maximum room rate is $1,500. The maximum suite rate is $10,000. It says, ooh, $10,000 for a suite. This is the room, folks.